Warning: this video contains valid emergency alert system tones. I do not take responsibility at all for these emergency alert system tones to be played on the air. Although these have been slowed down, advanced emergency alert system broadcasting systems may still be able to pick up the tones and broadcast them to the air. It is a federal offense for you to play these on the air. Viewer discretion is advised. Thank you and enjoy the video.
This message is being sent out by the Federal Emergency Management Agency of Orlando, Florida. At 5:36 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an unknown man was spotted wandering the streets of the Orlando metropolitan area. The suspect is believed to be armed. This man is about 6 feet tall and is wearing a black sweatshirt, black pants, black shoes, sunglasses, and a black face covering. Stay tuned for more updates on this paranormal event. This message is being transmitted by the Federal Emergency Management Agency of Orlando, Florida. At 8 a.m., police were called for what sounded like gunshots. When the police arrived at where the gunshots came from, the body of an apparent 6-year-old was found dead on the sidewalk. They later discovered a note right next to her head. The note read that she wanted to do this after she became friends with a tall man wearing all black clothing. Investigation under this apparent suicide is currently underway. Anybody in the city of Orlando is advised to go inside and lock all doors, windows, and any other point of entry in your home. Stay tuned for more updates on this event. Do not look outside. The suspect who was linked to the death of a child has been found to be not human. I repeat, the suspect who was linked to the death of a child has been found to be not human. As such, it has unhuman abilities, and it's using telepathy to make people commit suicide. If you see somebody matching the previous description, do not approach them. To avoid being caught, close, lock, and barricade all possible entrances to your home, and go to the central part of your house and go as far underground as possible.